Hi everyone, let's make this animation for gradient test. Open canva.com and click on landscape video and go to apps and type gradient and select this app and write the text that we want. And design the type of the gradient colors and number of colors and order of the colors and style of the direction. In this case it's left to right. Then click on add to design. Change the background color to black. And duplicate the text and again edit with all the white colors. Then select the gradient text and click on the animate and select the wipe and reduce the speed. That's it. Here we have the animated gradient text. If you like the design, subscribe to our channel. If you like this design, please like and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for this kind of videos. Thank you so much.